While winter may seem like a dormant period for many plants, it can be an excellent time for native plant enthusiasts to delve into the world of propagation. Native plants play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and supporting local ecosystems, making the winter season an opportune time to expand their presence. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the art of propagating native plants during the winter, unlocking the secrets to successful germination, cutting propagation, and seed stratification. 1. Understanding native plants and winter propagation. Selecting the right natives. Identify native plants that are well suited for your region and climate. Choose species known for their adaptability and resilience to winter conditions. Winter as a propagation period. Recognize the benefits of winter propagation, including natural stratification and the stimulation of root development. 2. Seed propagation in winter. Collecting native seeds. Harvest seeds from healthy, mature native plants during the fall. Choose seeds from plants that exhibit desirable traits and characteristics. Stratification techniques. Mimic the natural winter conditions by stratifying seeds in a cold and moist environment. Use methods such as refrigerator or outdoor stratification to break seed dormancy. Sowing seeds indoors. Create a controlled indoor environment for seed germination. Provide adequate light, warmth, and moisture to encourage seedling development. 3. Winter cuttings for propagation. Identifying suitable plants for cuttings. Select native plants that are amenable to winter cutting propagation. Look for plants with semi-hardwood or hardwood stems. Preparing and planting cuttings. Take cuttings from healthy, disease-free plants. Use a well-draining propagation mix and provide bottom heat to enhance root development. Rooting hormones and care. Dip cuttings in rooting hormone to stimulate root growth. Maintain consistent moisture levels and provide adequate humidity to support cutting establishment. 4. Overcoming winter challenges. Protecting seedlings and cuttings. Shield young plants from harsh winter conditions using protective coverings like row covers or cold frames. Mulch around seedlings to insulate the soil and prevent temperature fluctuations. Monitoring moisture levels. Be vigilant about soil moisture, as winter winds and fluctuations in temperature can lead to dehydration. Water sparingly but consistently to prevent waterlogged conditions. Conclusion: nurturing native legacies in winter. Winter, often perceived as a season of dormancy, unveils a hidden realm of possibilities for native plant propagation. By embracing the unique conditions of this season, enthusiasts can contribute to the preservation and proliferation of native species, whether through seed stratification or cutting propagation. The winter months offer a canvas for cultivating the next generation of native plants. As you embark on this journey, you not only nurture individual specimens, but also contribute to the broader tapestry of biodiversity, ensuring the continued vibrancy and resilience of your local ecosystem